Well, this is Tim Bost with FinancialCyclesWeekly.com, and we want to take a quick look today at our forecast for yesterday for our intraday inflection point. And we have been tracking the VIX, looking at market volatility. We're expecting big increases in market volatility as we move ahead during the next week or two here. So far, we've been seeing volatility hold beyond or below our forecasted levels very nicely, very controllable. But on an intraday basis, we were tracking this on Monday, the 22nd of August, and we had called for a potential inflection point for this day at 2:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 27 minutes after 2. So what we've got is our chart for yesterday's trading with the VIX and showing the changes in volatility throughout the day. Of course, we had the low at the beginning of the trading day and moved up to a high of 43.58. But we're interested in this specific time frame. What happened at 2:27 p.m.? We'll pull our crosshairs in and identify this particular time of day here. And what we have, actually, we got the big action on this about 1 minute early. We were rounded up our calculations a little bit here and called it for 2:27. The most important point here during the day was actually at 2:26 p.m. So we were about a minute off on our calculations there. But what we note here is that when we found that 1 minute bar for 2:26 p.m., we had a low at that point of 41.70 and or 41.69, I think it actually was at that particular point. And what we note here is that later in the trading day, this became a support zone throughout the rest of the trading day for the VIX. It did not drop below this level. It was tested a couple of times shortly before 3:30 in the afternoon, and then again about 15 minutes prior to the close. But in both cases, this particular inflection point defined the support for the VIX for the remainder of the trading day. Now we see these inflection points working in different ways. In this case, we once again saw intraday support or resistance being defined by one of these inflection points. That's why they're important to keep an eye on, and we review these inflection points, the specific timing throughout the week, each week with our conference call for our Gold Plus Elite members at FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. So go to FinancialCyclesWeekly.com, take a look at what we have to offer there. Click on the Join Now area in the upper left-hand corner of the home page there, and you'll get information on our Gold Plus Elite program. You may want to join us on our conference calls and find out about these intraday inflection points. This is Tim Bost with FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. Thanks so much for watching.